Hello everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to my channel Strobetto, where I will talk about photos, videos, tutorials and technology in general. Today I will show you how you can simply edit this shot that was taken under morning moonlight. As you can see, it does not need a lot of editing, as the picture taken in correct exposure and under this kind of beautiful light, pictures usually look very nice and atmospheric. So, furthermore, additionally, after this mini tutorial, you can find the Lightroom preset below at the description, which you can use to edit your night blue hour pictures similarly to mine. So, without further ado, let's get started. I will begin with some global adjustments and I will lower a bit the exposure, just a bit. Okay, and I will increase some whites in order to make the moon pop, and I have room for increasing the highlights as well, not too much. Okay, also I will increase the shadows for the pear to stand out a bit, somewhere there, and I will add some clarity as well to the whole picture, not too much, around here. I will also increase a bit my temperature in order to not look so much blue in the picture, and I will add some purples as well. Then let's adjust the tone curve by crushing the blacks a bit, just here, and add some contrast back. Okay, and increase the highlights a bit. Nice, very nice. Furthermore, now the picture looks too much blue, so I will increase the luminance of blue just a bit, and I will lower the saturation as well, as our local adjustments have increased the contrast and the saturation as well. Okay, now it looks more realistic. Great. So next, for the local adjustments, I will start with a gradient filter to darken the sky and add some clarity for the clouds. Thus, we will lower the exposure a bit to add to the night feeling that it was, and I will increase the clarity for the clouds. Good. Then I will add another gradient for the foreground to show some of the pear details by adding some clarity, a bit of texture and some whites. Okay, now it looks much better. Thank you for staying with me until now. I will really appreciate it to like the video and subscribe. New exciting and helpful content will be shortly released. Furthermore, I will add some gradients to the whole picture, just to add some dodge and burning, as this picture doesn't need a Photoshop edit because it's a simple composition with simple colors. I will lower the exposure a bit and I will use the luminance masks, and I will remove the mask from the highlights, just like that. I will add a bit of smoothness, and now you can see that I have darkened the darks a bit more, and I will add another mask to the whole picture, and this time I will increase the exposure a bit in order to shine the highlights. So I will remove my mask from the darks. Here seems good, like that. It's too much now. Here. Very nice. So that's my gradient filters. Now I will continue and add a radial filter to add some glow to the moon, which will enhance the mood of the picture. So for this kind of enhancement, I will add some contrast around here, some exposure, sorry, and I will add some contrast in order to not lose the details. Furthermore, I will increase the blacks to give some shine and lower a bit the dehaze. I will increase the clarity as well. Okay, I will duplicate this in order to add it below to the C-stacks to enhance the atmosphere a bit. So I will duplicate this and add it here. Great. It needs some darkening to the sky a bit more now, I think. So yes, now it's better like that. I will increase the exposure here. Okay, great. So I did not use Photoshop for this picture as it has not a lot of elements to manipulate. As I said before, the subject was very clean. However, I always recommend to finish the picture in Photoshop for some more detail, dodge edge burning or some ortho effects. Anyway, thank you for watching. This was my first mini video tutorial, and soon as I get organized, I will share more content that can be helpful for you. Do not forget the preset will be down in the description for you to download, and I will be glad to hear from you in the comment section. See you next time. Goodbye.